Nursing homes report 4 new clusters of patients and staff with coronavirus in Cincinnati. All had between 25 to 54 positive tests in the past week. Now, part of the cause could be the solution, but the unknown is killing families. Reporter Larry Seward explains.
Donald Tobias Gazaway was 60 and all smiles until the stroke. 3 days after moving from Florida, he rolled through UC's emergency room, then the VA hospital for rehab. Finally, Pleasant Ridge Care Center, where nurses got this vet nicknamed Toby on his feet, or so it seemed.
My brother's walking 1 week. The next week he has a spike in temperature, and a few days later he's dead.
Coronavirus killed about 1,000 people in Ohio. 1 in 4 lived or worked in assisted living or nursing homes. Though Hamilton County's 11 deaths are a fraction of what's around Toledo, Columbus, and Cleveland, stats show clusters of infections. In the last week, Colerain's Burlington House had 54 new cases. Mercy Park West, 64. Both say it's because they recently tested everyone to see who needs to isolate to keep everyone else safe. At Pleasant Ridge,
I was hoping and I was praying that it was something other than coronavirus.
Joy Gazaway told us her brother moved in March 25th and caught fever days later.
I asked them at that time, well, how many more people are there? And they said HIPAA regulations wouldn't allow them to discuss that with me.
Pleasant Ridge did not return phone calls or messages, so it's not clear how they isolate their sick. But with all homes quarantined, advocates want better communication and camera time with families not allowed to visit.
We have tried to make sure that we can find out what's going on inside these buildings.
Governor Mike DeWine ordered more transparency, but 2 weeks ago, Ohio had trouble delivering.
There was inconsistent information, inconsistent reporting, and causing inaccurate data.
This week, COVID-19 stats on every nursing home are online, and by law, all have 12 hours to notify families of any positive test.
We need to take every step and precaution we can to ensure that when they go for rehab, that they're going to come back out. That was our hope for our brother.
Advocates and epidemiologists expect more testing to reveal more clusters around the city. Doing so should help contain the spread and potentially save lives. Larry Seward, WCPO 9 News.